Today we're diving into a quick and hassle-free technique, adding those cinematic black bars in DaVinci Resolve. Forget the complicated methods, let's keep it simple. Now, traditionally, you might have scoured the internet for a PNG file to add black bars or fiddled with cropping, maybe even used adjustment layers. But guess what? There's a simpler way. Let me introduce you to the third, and in my opinion, the easiest option. Head over to your timeline and scroll all the way down. There you'll find the magical output blanking. Click on Output Blanking and voila, choose your desired aspect ratio. It's like picking the perfect frame for your masterpiece. But hey, we're not done yet. Want to fine-tune the position? No problem. Head to the inspector and adjust your positioning like the video virtuoso you are. And that's it. Adding black bars in DaVinci Resolve doesn't need to be complicated. Just a couple of clicks, and your video is ready for that cinematic touch. If you enjoyed this quick tip, don't forget to hit that like button